28th April is the day of safety and health. It is the World Day of Safety and Health at Work. This is about the safety and health of the workers as well as the laborers. A huge number of ordinary workers and laborers are working in industries, in factories, in agriculture, in offices. So the hazards they are facing, these workers, these laborers, in their daily work, physical hazards, emotional hazards, and what are the physical hazards? What are the types of industries and these factories, different kinds of work? Most of the workers, most of the laborers are working in the construction, on the construction side, in the construction industry. Huge number of high-rise buildings everywhere in the world. So, what the hazards, the injuries they are facing on daily basis? This is in millions. Per year, injuries are in millions. And the apart from injuries, the diseases they are suffering while working in silica industry, in glass industry, in chemical industry, especially the chemical industry, and the nuclear hazards, which we discussed 2 3 days before on Chernobyl disaster remembrance day. The workers, the laborers working in chemical industries, industries dealing with the production of acids and alkalis, these batteries of vehicles, and many types of chemicals. These are facing a lot of hazards. About safety, are they provided with protect PPE, personal protective equipment, hats, helmets? These are all problems faced by the laborers and workers, those working in the construction, injuries by falling themselves or anything falling on them in big factories, mills, industries, where a belt is part of the that machine, running machine, a belt is part of that. The laborer caught in that belt, multiple fractures, degloving injuries, degloving of the skin, the head injuries, the spine injuries, injuries of the hands, fingers, dislocations of the joints, shoulder dislocations, these hand joint dislocations, fractures of the long bones, injuries of the spine, they are all facing. And how many million hours, how many million working days are lost, how many million working hours are lost per year? How much is the economic cost of all these injuries and all these diseases? If people working in the chemical factories and others, occupational health, dealing with silicosis, asbestosis, pneumoconiosis, berylliosis, and chemical factories where carbon monoxide is incorporated in some salt, or a carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide is released from chemical reactions, that is very dangerous. And chemicals, alkalis, and acids coming in contact with the skin, with the eyes, the respiratory problems, the cancer of the lungs, and other orthopedic problems. Mainly, the